Hi, and welcome to Steam Powered Family. Today we're making a barometer project with our kids. This is a very simple project that will only take a few minutes to make, but that can be used over a few days to track weather patterns. You only need a few simple supplies, and the first thing we're going to do is cut the top off of a balloon and place it over the mouth of a mason jar. If you don't have a mason jar, you can use like a tin can for this. Secure the balloon with a rubber band. And then we're going to take a skewer and glue it into place. If you don't have any glue, you can use tape for this to adhere it. And there we go. Now we just need to make a little stand where we can record our results from reading the barometer. For this, we're just going to take a piece of cardstock, trim it so it's about the right height for our mason jar. We want it a little taller than our mason jar. And then we're just going to fold it up to make it a prism shaped, and this is just so that it will stand very easily and securely while we're doing our readings. So there we are, we're just going to fold it and glue it together, and there we go. Now we're just going to make a sun at the top, because when the barometer is pointing up, it's going to be nicer weather. And then we're going to make some clouds with rain at the bottom so that it shows that it's going to rain when the barometer is pointing down. Now we're going to go and take readings. So here our pressure is equal, so we're going to take a reading for our first day. And now we're going to spend some time waiting until the next day at the same time and do another reading. And then we're going to continue this over a few days so we can start to see the different weather patterns and how changes in the atmospheric pressure affect the weather outside. And there we go. So this is how the barometer works. When the pressure is equal, our wooden skewer stays straight, and that means the weather's going to be okay outside. However, when there's higher pressure outside of the bottle, which is higher atmospheric pressure, it pushes down on the balloon, and the skewer goes up, giving us nicer weather. But when there's low pressure outside, the balloon comes up and the skewer points down, which means we're going to get some rain. This is a great weather science project to do with your kids. For more weather science and other STEM activities, visit steampoweredfamily.com. Have a great day. Bye for now.